It's a nice and cold winter day today, but we are running out of firewood here at the house, so I need to use the mini excavator with the pallet forks to fill up with some wood here. I did move those yesterday, but I have some videos of that, so it's not that interesting. But it didn't really run well. And I hope it runs today. These are the glow plugs. You can see that yellow. It is for preheating, otherwise it won't start. And I keep it a little bit longer. And I always forget the main switch. Okay, one more time. Let's see what happens. We'll glow it again because it's quite cold. I don't know if you can hear it, but it does vibrate a little bit more. So it might be a fuel filter that has a little bit of water in it, but it's getting warmer. Maybe yesterday, so I'll check them then and empty if there's any water in them. All right, let's do this. I want to have some heat in here, and first job today is to move that trailer, and I actually got a lot of manure on it from the cows at Håkan's place, and it doesn't smell very nice, so I'm gonna take it where I can hose it off. And I hope you can see that I'm controlling the tracks with my legs, and it leaves my hands free to maneuver the forks in this case. It is a bit slow, so I want to have a high speed, which is this button here. Okay, let's turn this to the side, like that. Maybe a little bit more. And just over the blade and pick it up again. And now we can move the trailer. Might be a bit wide, but we can probably squeeze through. I have to maybe get this over there, and there you see this foot control here. Swings it. Hitting the gate about now. Yeah, it works. You can see it's really gross now. I couldn't get the manure out, so I had to take that plastic inner container out and was no fun. Yeah, right. We should do it this way. Lower this wheel and open it up. And oh, I had brake on. Ow! I hope you're seeing something. Okay, so now we can lower that. We can actually swing around. Ice and snow is that you don't hurt your, the ground isn't hurt. There is a video where I cut this firewood and then deliver it here, and also I think there's a video where I stack all of these. It's a bit bumpier. Heavy. Is it? Yeah. Maybe it's. I was just frozen in the ground. Ah. Tighten that ratchet strap. Because when the firewood dries, it shrinks, and I think it's, yeah, that was okay. I don't want everything to fall off. Send a complaint to the guy who did this entry. You see the tracks are close together. It's because I want to keep on the gravel patio. Are really long and easy to hit something with them. The way I did it. Thought it was free, but nope. And still they are not like full size. They're much longer forks for bigger machines. Okay. I want to have those filled with firewood, so I'm gonna start looking for those, and there are some videos of people modifying those like these are some like cages, and then when I split it I just put it in there, put it on the roof, and let it sit wherever I want it, and I think it will hold a little bit more than these will hold, and it won't fall out as easy. All right, I'm all done here. Last one I put here, and I don't know why, but this one was much heavier than the other ones, so I had to use this front blade to not tip over. What I'll do next is I'll remove these roofs and store them, because they're a little bit sharp, and when this firewood is used I can put another pallet there, and I should have enough for this winter because we have invested in a heat pump, and I have a separate video on that. So anyway, thank you for watching, and bye.